Assalamu alaikum dear students and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to write a friendly letter. Yes, it's a very important thing to learn. We write friendly letters to people we know well. We might write a friendly letter to our parents, grandparents, or our friends. We can call it informal letter as well. Now, what are the parts of a friendly letter? First of all, you mention the date, then the greetings, then the body, and then the closings, and by the end of the letter you inscribe your signatures. Now the date is located at the top of the page in the right hand corner, as you can see here, and the greetings are located on the far left of the paper. It is on the line below the date, as you can see here on the screen. This is how you write the greetings. And then comes the body. The body of the letter includes the message that you are sharing with the person, and this is how you write the body. And then we move towards the closings. The closing is located on the right hand side of the page below the body, and it usually includes words such as sincerely or your friend, and then you write your name. The signature is your signed name under the closing, and this is the format of an informal letter or a friendly letter. The date, the greetings, the body, and the closings, and after that you put your signatures. And this is a sample. Like, dear grandma, I lost my first tooth yesterday. I bit into my apple at lunchtime and it came right out. I put the tooth under my pillow and the tooth fairy left me $2. I can't wait for my next loose tooth. Love, Gabby, or it can be any name. Now let's see if you've got it. Now it's a kind of a quiz. A letter that you write to someone you know is called a which letter? Yes, a friendly letter. And let's try another one. I should always write the dash on my paper in the top right hand corner so the person knows when I wrote to them. So what should be here? Yes, the date. You're absolutely right. And what does a person write in the body of the friendly letter? The message you are sharing with the person. Yes, the message comes in the body. And maybe I can stump you here. Now what it does mean, this part of the letter is below the body but above the signature. Now can you guess what part of the friendly letter this is? Yes, absolutely right, that is the closing. And this part of the letter is the last thing you write, and it can be referred to as your John Hancock. So what is that? Yes, absolutely right, that is your signature. Now that is another sample. Dear mom and dad, today I learned how to write a friendly letter. Did you know that it has 5 parts? Those parts are the date, the greeting, the body or message, and the closings, and lastly the signature. So yes, this is the last one. This part of the friendly letter contains words such as dear. So where do we add dear? The greetings. Yes, you're right. Now did you catch all of that? Now let's review one last time. So these are the parts of a friendly letter: date and the greetings and the body, the closing and the signature, and that is the format that we use for the friendly letter. So that's all for today. We are talking about letters these days, and in the coming lectures we will look at some other formats and for some other types of letters. And if you want to go to the previous lectures of this course, you can go into the description and you will find a link, and that link will lead you towards all of the lectures from beginning to the end. So stay connected, and thank you for watching this lecture. Allah Hafiz.